everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing. Long time since I posted a video. I think last I posted was about Elegua, and after that I have been little concentrating on the South videos, to be very precise, and I wanted to actually share one good news with all of you. I had predicted for the South Big Boss that who will be eliminated and how the process will go, and I was so happy that I had in that it was a session which we were doing, and two of my students were asking me questions, and then they asked me certain things. There were some 11 people who are nominated, and then when they were asking me questions, I told them final there will be these two people whom they will say 50-50 chances, and in the end so and so will go, and exactly it happened. So I was very happy. So it's basically I just wanted to share this good news with all of you. So that's why I've been busy, because I've been doing some down south, and I have been trying to invent these type of some new concepts. This won't be the color which I'll be bringing, and I've been making some things like these which I will be sharing in the upcoming days. I just thought I will show you all. Sorry, my Buddha, my Kuberer went in the front. So okay, so now most of you had been a part of my Diwali workshop, and I had actually promised in my I think last to last live that I will be talking about dakshinavarti shankh, and I just couldn't come because of health issues and a lot of issues going on, and then I got busy with the south videos. So here we go. I want to speak about this shankh. This is called as the dakshinavarti shankh in the north, and down south we call this as the Valambury shankh. Now what is the dakshinavarti shankh? Basically, when you pick up the shankh, one thing I want to say is you get a lot of shankhs made of plastic of Paris, which is POP, which are not genuine. You need to pick a very, very genuine and a very, very powerful shankh if you want to see its energies. And it has to be right-handed. Now when I say right-handed, how do I do this? I keep it in my hand. If you see here, the opening is in my right. So this is the shankh which we need to use in our home, and the way I tell you to do, because this is how this shankh has to be. If I get the time, I will be bringing in some more shankhs also, because Diwali workshop people were very happy the way I had taught them how to make an amazing kajal, and how to make the Kartikeya powder, and how to do where your credit goes off and money flow comes with I think 20, 21, 22 odd shankhs. So now I've been exploring more on this Vedic thing, so I will bring in more. So now coming back to our Dakshinavarti shankh. This shankh, if kept at home, brings in prosperity and happiness. Let me tell you one thing. This doesn't come without any purpose. If it is come in your lives, then definitely there is a purpose because of which this shankh has come to you. And many people travel to the beaches, to the say down south and all, and they just pick up the shankh for the sake of picking it up, and they just feel that okay, let's just have it. But let me tell you one thing, if you don't take care of it properly, if you don't pray with it properly, it will accumulate a lot of negative energy. That's very important, which many people don't know this, because this comes to you for a purpose. And if you ask me, I would say it's an energy. Speak to it. You know what I do? With my Dakshinati shankh, I just go and I do a lot of things which I'll be telling you in the tips. But mainly what I do is I treat it as an energy. I treat it as a part of my family, or say an angel, and then I look at it and then I speak to it, and then I tell it, this is happening, that is happening, prosperity wise, I need this, I need that, and all this has been happening. So I seriously feel that it senses the energies, and then it also helps me in a lot of ways. And it is said that praying to this is praying to goddess Mahalakshmi directly. And if you have picked up, if you have the shankh, then I will tell you how to cleanse it, energize it, and use it from henceforth. If you don't have, do pick it up. It's a beautiful shankh. It's a beautiful concept which helps you in abundance and happiness in life. And yes, I also sell these shankhs. So if any of you are not able to source the original one, then you can let me know. And if you're in India, I would definitely send it to you, because as of now I have not ventured sending abroad. So if you're in India, then yes, I would do it to you. So what do we do when you pick up the shankh? In my workshop, I had thought a little different way. So now I will teach you a little different way. On the first day of the when you get the shankhs, it can be any day, don't go with the days. On the first day, soak the shankh in salt water for 2 hours, and take it out and wash it in running water. The next day, soak it in raw milk, the kacha doodh what we say, for 2 hours, and then again remove it and wash it in running water. On the third day, either use the rose water, the gulab jal what we say, or what you can do is you can also use the moon water, moon blessing water. You can see in one of my previous full moon tips videos, I have said how the moon water is taken. You can soak it in that for 2 hours and then you can wash it, and then your dakshinavarti or the Valambury shankh is ready. That's how it is. So now I will go with some tips on how to use it. Okay. In a lot of temples, as you know, they keep this shankh like this. There's a stand actually which you get, so it won't be down. They keep the shankh. The shankh has a stand, a very pretty stand. They put water in this, and then they put tulsi ka patta, the tulsi leaves, and they put one coin in this. And what they do is every day they take this as a charnamrit. They take it in their hand and then they drink it. This becomes a more of an energized water. So that is done every day, and cleansing it and energizing it on a full moon day is really worth it. So on a full moon day, you can wash it with running water and you can soak it with rose water. And what you can do is you can keep it under the moon's energies for a couple of minutes or say 1 hour, and then you can take it and it will be beautiful. What I also do here is, actually I forgot to take one note and keep. I keep a 5 rupees note or a 10 rupees note here, and then I put a little bit of gorachan, 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 and a little bit of kumkum in this. I keep it in this, and then I keep it near on a Friday near my Mahalakshmi ji. And what I do is the next day morning I take off that note and then I keep it in my cash box, or I have this box here. I keep it in this, and then what I do is again on the next Friday I keep it. So let me just check if my note is here, or no, actually my note is not here. So or what, again the next Friday I put it back again in this. I sprinkle it with gorachan and the kumkum, and then I keep doing this every Friday. I use the same note, so I just take it out and then I keep it, because other days what I do is I pour water in this and I put tulsi leaf and I keep a 1 rupee coin. I don't use a bigger coin, I use a 1 rupee coin. So you can also keep a 1 rupee coin only, and then every day in the morning you can drink this water. You can give it to all your family members also, and you can also again put fresh water. You can put a little bit of kacha kapur, the fresh camphor, which I always say that little bit, because in temples the main recipe of the charnamrit or the water which they give for us to drink, that is nothing but pure water with a little bit of kacha kapur or the pure camphor and 1 or 2 strands of tulsi leaves. Okay, so that is very important. You can do that. I won't even tell you one vastu tip. I have seen this, that people who have vastu dosh in their house, what they do is they take a pot and they fill it with wheat, and then they keep this standing like this in the center of the wheat, and they keep it in their puja rooms or in the vastu dosh place, and it is said that the vastu dosh is gone. Some people, what they do is they put navadanya in this and they keep it near God, and that navadanya they remove it and then they feed it to the pets. They feed it to the not pets, the birds. It is said that your all the 9 planets will be very happy, and they will come to you, and they will bless you. Also, what I do is I dedicate this specially for Mahalakshmi ji, because praying to this, as I said, is praying directly to Mahalakshmi ji. So on Thursdays evening between 6 to 7 and Fridays evening between 7 to 8, what I do is I put a little bit of I take this, I put a little bit of water in this, and then I just say Om Mahalakshmi Namaha, and I chant 1 or 8 times. I keep my hand on this and I chant 1 or 8 times, and that water I have it, I give it to all my pets, my family members, and if there's any water left, then I put it in my plants, so that abundance keeps growing in my life. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you all liked it, then do share it, subscribe it. Now when you subscribe, many people had asked me, why Pinky ji we are not able to get the notification. Maybe there's a notification bell icon, something they said, which you need to press it so that you'll be notified when I come live next time. Because last time when I came live, a lot of them were upset that we are not able to see you live. So maybe the bell icon, please hit it. I don't know, maybe I will ask the team who's editing this video to put the bell icon right here when I am speaking, so that you all will know what it is. So subscribe it, share it with all your friends and everyone, and also post in the comments here if you want me to talk about any interesting topics that you all want, and I would be more than happy to speak. Thank you. God bless you all with loads and loads of prosperity. Diwali is coming. I would be coming more maybe 1 or 2 videos more I will bring, or more also I'll bring. But yes, have a blessed Diwali, and may God bless you all with lots and lots of prosperity and abundance lifelong. God bless. Thank you.